Alright, so let's compare the top specs of the newly released Ulefone Armor 25T Pro versus the CAT S75 and the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro. It's going to be a quick specs comparison. We'll compare the top specs of these 5G rugged devices. And as regarding the Armor 25T Pro, it's currently available for a very affordable price. If you wish to get it, make sure to use the links in the video description. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go, guys, the Armor 25T Pro versus the CAT S75 and the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro. What are your thoughts about these three 5G rugged devices? Feel free to share them in the comment section below, and like I mentioned earlier, make sure to use the links in the video description if you wish to get the Armor 25T Pro for a very affordable price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.